From the PEP Radio Newsroom, we have this news about marriage equality in Japan. A court found Japan's refusal to legalize same-sex marriage was constitutional Friday in the last of 6 cases that are expected to be brought to the Supreme Court for a final and definitive ruling, possibly next year. The Tokyo High Court said marriage under the law is largely expected to be a union between men and women, in a decision that reversed a lower court ruling last year and was the first loss at high courts in the 6 cases brought by those seeking equal marriage rights. Judge Ayumi Higashi said a legal definition of a family as a unit between a couple and their children is rational, and that exclusion of same-sex marriage is valid. The court also dismissed damages of 1 million yen, or approximately $6,400, each sought by 8 sexual minorities seeking equal marriage rights. Plaintiffs and their lawyers said the decision was unjust, but they were determined to keep fighting through the Supreme Court. "I'm so disappointed," plaintiff Hiromi Hatogai told reporters outside the court. "Rather than sorrow, I'm outraged and appalled by the decision. Were the judges even listening to us? We only want to be able to marry and be happy just like anyone else," said another plaintiff, Ri Fukuda. "I believe the society is changing. We won't give up." With all 6 high court cases done, the Supreme Court is expected to handle all appeals and make a decision. Though discrimination still exists at school, work, and elsewhere, public backing for legalizing same-sex marriage and support in the business community have rapidly increased in recent years. Japan is the only member of the group of 7 industrialized countries that does not recognize same-sex marriage or provide any other form of legally binding protection for LGBTQ plus couples. Prime Minister Sane Takaichi, her conservative ruling Liberal Democratic Party, is the main opponent of same-sex marriage rights in Japan. The government has argued that marriage under civil law does not cover same-sex couples and places importance on natural reproduction. There is nothing democratic nor liberal about being a conservative anti-marriage equality party. That is a contradiction to the nth degree. But I'm not in Japan. Reporting from the PEP Radio Newsroom, I am David Moore.